I'm going to show you how to fix USB Wi-Fi adapter not working on Windows 11. This also works for Windows 10. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Now the first step you need to do is go to your taskbar, then go to search, then search for control panel. Then open control panel. Then go to network and internet. Then network and sharing center. Then go to change adapter settings. Then you are going to see your internet driver. So double click on it. Then go to properties. So this is the name of your adapter, network adapter. So you need to identify it and you need to know the exact name. So once you've done that, you will push this one this side. Then on your Windows Start icon, right click on it. Then go to Device Manager. Then come to Network Adapters. Click on that drop down arrow. Then you are going to see your wireless network adapter. As you can see, it is the same with this one. So you are going to close this one. Then we will remain with this one, the device manager. So you need to click on the wireless network adapter, then right click on it, then update driver, then browse my computer. Then click on that, then choose your wireless network adapter, then next. Then as you can see, Windows has successfully updated your driver. So once you've done this, your USB Wi-Fi adapter should be working. And if this one does not fix it, you need to go to the next step. Now you will need to close this one, then close this one. Then come here on your taskbar, then go to search, then search for network. Troubleshooter. Find and fix network problems. Double click on it. Then click on next. Then this will automatically detect the problem and it will fix it automatically. Then troubleshoot my connection to the internet. Then this will automatically fix your network adapter problem. So if this one still does not work, you will need to close this one and then go to your taskbar, then go to search, then search for CMD, then run as administrator, then click on yes. Then here you need to enter this code here, and then you need to now copy this one, then paste it here, then press on enter. Then as you can see, successfully reset the Win catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So you need to copy this and paste it there. I'm going to leave it on the video description. Once you've restarted your computer, your USB Wi-Fi adapter should be working. Thank you guys for watching, and if this has helped you out, please do not forget to like the video and also to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.